Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Oppo Reno 8T. So we have a Google Lens technology in this phone, so we have two methods of this. I will show you the first one. So we have to start from opening the Google Photos. Now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one. Oh, sorry, this is the movie, so I will choose a photo. Then open it and click Google Lens icon. And now Google Lens looking for similar or the same image. That was the first method, but if you don't want to use the Google Lens, or maybe it's not working for you, you can also try to do it by the web browser. So we have to open the google.com. And now it's very important step, click on the three-dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. It's necessary. Then tap on this little camera icon and choose upload a file. Allow permissions to gallery and choose your photo like before. Then click done. And like before, Google looking for the similar images in the Google database. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.